Greetings from Glasbrukssjön and this spontaneous naked beach here on the northwest part of the lake Glasbrukssjön. It is a wonderful Wednesday on this 18th of September 2024, and I am out exploring another nudist beach spot here in Stockholm, more specifically in Nacka this is, and quite close to the sea as well. You can see the lake is fully flat as there is basically no wind currently, and it looks absolutely stunning indeed. Look at that reflection from the edgy cliffs on the other side. Here we have my gravel bike Scott that got me here. It was a longer ride than usual, 17 kilometers, but quite nice and mostly road it was actually. So I could have come here with my Cube road bike as well. So quite a nice day today. We have 17 degrees Celsius in the air, and it is the same temperature also in the lake. And why is it called Glasbrukssjön, which means in translation glass using lake? Because this was being used for hydro energy back in the 1700s and the 1800s, but after that it kept the name as it is, but it was just then later converted into a nature reserve. Obviously there is a public beach on the other side that you can see in the distance, and on this side as well there is one other rocky public beach as well, but this one over here is a spontaneous nudist beach as it is marked on the Scandinavian Naturist Portal karta. And I have been here actually last year. I think it was October, and it was pouring rain, and I remember on the way back I got a flat tire on my bike, so I was forced to stop many times to pump the tire so I can get home at least, as I didn't have a spare with me, nor my changing kit, fixing kit. So it was so hopefully that won't happen again now on the way back. But it was raining last year. I will link that video at the end of this one so you can see how it was back then, and this is how it looks when it's dry. So this is obviously a wild beach here, just to enter from the rocks here, but the view is absolutely amazing in this nature over here indeed. As I mentioned, located in Nacka municipality. It is super beautiful nature indeed. All right, so it's time for today's swim. I can see also that the public beach is also completely empty as well. But yes, Glasbrukarudden, this is the spontaneous nudist beach spot. So let's then get cracking and take a swim. When the lake is so still, it's so satisfying to watch the vibrations from the moves I make, right? Pure harmony and symphony. All right, so ready, set, go. It's so amazing. What a beautiful swim in this beautiful piece of nature here at Glasbrukssjön, the glass factory lake as I call it. It's perfect. So the sea, the Baltic Sea is in that direction, not that far away. So I'm assuming this lake was built up from the sea in some event that happened a long time ago. But yeah, 17 degrees Celsius currently, both in the lake and in the air. So quite perfect and nice indeed. Perfect. All right, so then that's a wrap from this continuous nudist beach spot at Glasbrukssjön that I'm visiting for the very first time this year. And yes, beach day number 152 of my beach adventures. We continue as expected. Thanks so much then for watching this episode with me, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on the channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.